We will be discussing about remote access. So what remote access are? Remote access are the ones that enables you to use any device which is sitting miles away from you, just by you at the comfort of your home and at the comfort of your room, and just by using your own device. It provides helps you, facilitates you remote work. Besides this, it also facilitates you, simplifies IT support. It also increases productivity. It enhances collaboration and also reduce travel costs. But having said that, it also enables cyber attacks. Like if your software is outdated, or your system is unsecure, or it is untagged, and or you have weak authentication, all these things will lead to the cyber attack. So what where it will be affecting your file servers or your mail servers, or it can affect your DB servers. So like if someone has attacks, and they can send phishing mails to all the employees, and just by these attacks, the attacker can steal data, install malwares, or change data. To secure a system from these attacks, we can use multiple technologies. Like VPN is the most common one. Like if by sitting at my home I wanted to access my or my systems, my network server, so I can use VPN to connect to my server, and it will create internal from my PC to the server, and will send requests or receive the data. Um while encrypting the whole process, applying encryption and decryption in the whole process. Yeah, it can use multiple protocols like IPsec, SSL, TLS protocol, PPTP, and L2TP, and OpenVPN. Another protocol that can be used is RDP. RDP is basically is a Windows protocol which enables Windows devices to get remote access to the server or the different PCs. So, but if let's assume that you are not in the network, like for this you have to be in the network. But if let's assume that you are not in the network, then you're in the public place. For that, you do need to use SSH. So SSH will enable create a encrypted connection between the client and the server. So remote administration, servers, routers, and other network devices can use this protocol. Another one is RAS, and a better one is routing and remote access server. What it does is, if you're dialing up to the network, then that can you can use this protocol. This like if you're in the public place, then using this protocol you can create VPN, develop connection, wireless connection, and authentication method. That is all what we have to do.